Welcome. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to disable the automatic download of documents on WhatsApp. This updated approach is perfect for those of you who want to maintain better control over your data usage and avoid cluttering your storage with unwanted files. So let's get right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. With the app launched, you'll need to look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 little dots. Go ahead and tap on those dots. Now, a menu will pop up. From that menu, tap on Settings. This section allows you to tweak your app to fit your needs. Once you're in the settings, find and tap on Storage and Data. You'll now see various options related to Media Auto Download. Look for the section labeled Media Auto Download. Within this section, there are 3 categories: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Start by tapping on When Using Mobile Data. Here, you'll see several options. For our purpose, unmark the box next to Documents. This ensures that documents won't download automatically when you're using your mobile data, saving you precious bandwidth. Next, let's go back to the previous screen. Now tap on When Connected on Wi-Fi. Just like before, unmark the box next to Documents to prevent documents from auto-downloading when you're connected to Wi-Fi as well. And there you go, you've successfully disabled the auto-download of documents on WhatsApp. This simple change can help you save storage space and avoid unwanted data usage, giving you more control over what you download. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.